Hi, I'm Jennifer Folsom, Chief of Corporate Development here at Summit Consulting, and this is Complexity Simplified. Today I have Dr. Shane Thompson with me, one of our resident labor economists. We're here to talk about pay equity. So Shane, what is pay equity? I hear it in the news all the time.
Right, it's a really hot topic right now. So at its core, it's equal pay for equal work. So regardless of gender, race, age, etc., those who are doing equal work should get equal pay for what they're doing.
Well, who cares about gender? I mean, it seems like everyone should be caring about this, but who cares about the pay equity right now?
Right, so pay equity is good business. So everybody should care about it. If you want to attract diverse talent and the best that your community has to offer, pay equity is an absolute must.
So I keep hearing around the office you should use statisticians in these cases, and when you're working on these problems internally. Why does a statistician need to be involved?
Right. So when we look at numbers just kind of at a raw level, and we compare pay between two groups, if we don't adjust for the differences between the two groups, we're likely to make some attributional errors in what is causing the difference in pay between the two groups. So if we bring a statistician in, the statistician can effectively isolate the effect of certain factors on pay. So they can and hold all else equal. And so we can look at gender, or we can look at age by itself, race by itself, and if that factor, gender, age, race,
Protected classes,
right, if it plays a role in affecting salary at a workplace, and that's accounting for other things that we care about, like education and experience that do explain differences in pay.
What are some of the pitfalls in this analysis?
So often we can overlook controlling for other things that might explain pay differentials.
Like what?
So if we have a group of males and females, and it just happens to be that the males have greater experience or have been there longer, they may have on average a higher wage. If we don't control for the experience difference between the two groups, we might see it as discrimination or pay inequity towards females, when actually it's traced back to experience in this hypothetical case.
So it might overstate it.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. Well, thanks, Shane. I've learned a lot.